Hi there, thanks so much for tuning in. My name is Rhiannon and I'm one of the founders from BBQ Spit Rotisseries. Today I'm going to show you how to smoke some beef mince in the SNS Kamado. Now we're using it to cook tacos, but you could use it in a shepherd's pie, add some pasta sauce to make a delicious lasagna, or any other way that you love to enjoy your mincemeat. Now as always, whenever I cook beef, I always add Flaming Coal's Bovine Espresso for that extra kick of flavour. We've lit our charcoal, it's up to temperature. Let's get the mince into the smoker. Our smoker is up to temperature. Today we're running it really hot, so we're after a pretty quick cook. We're cooking at 475 degrees Fahrenheit. We'll add our cherry wood chunks. Our cast iron pan is nice and hot. It's time to pop the mince in. And now we're going to let that sit for about 20 minutes. Our beef mince is almost done. I'm just going to move it over to the hotter zone to finish it off. I like to give it a try when it's almost done, just to see if it needs a little bit more kick of rub. It could use a fraction more. We've just taken our taco shells out of the smoker so they're nice and crispy. Let's assemble the tacos. Now you can fill your tacos with any of your favourite fillings. I've just got some slaw, tomato, salsa and guacamole. But you can certainly add jalapenos, cheese, sour cream, whatever you like. Okay, now for the hero of the dish, our beef mince. Smells good. And to finish off, let's top it off with some guacamole. Delicious. These are looking absolutely sensational and I can't wait to tuck in. It's gonna get messy, don't judge me, but I'm gonna enjoy every bite. That's really good.